Welcome back. In the last topic, we came across a term procedural programming and object-oriented programming. Let's understand them in detail. In the world of programming, two key approaches dominate: object-oriented programming and procedural programming. Understanding these paradigms is essential for any programmer, as each offers unique advantages and suits different types of projects. Let's first see procedural programming. It's a straightforward approach that structures code into procedures, also known as functions or routines. Imagine it as assembling a piece of furniture. You follow a set of instructions step by step to build the final product. This method focuses on the tasks to be performed, breaking down the program into a set of instructions. There are some advantages of procedural programming, including simplicity and ease of understanding. It's particularly effective for small, simple tasks where the program's flow is linear and easy to follow. However, as projects grow in complexity, procedural code can become difficult to manage. Sharing data between functions often leads to tangled and convoluted code, making maintenance a challenge. Now let's see object-oriented programming. On the other hand, organizes code around objects which represent real-world entities with properties, we can say attributes, and behaviors, also known as methods. Instead of following a linear sequence of steps, object-oriented programming designs structures that encapsulates both data and functionality. The primary benefit of object-oriented programming include modularity and reusability. By encapsulating data within objects, object-oriented programming allows for more organized and manageable code. In object-oriented, classes are the blueprints for objects, enabling the creation of reusable components that can be easily modified and extended. This makes object-oriented particularly suitable for complex systems and applications requiring scalability and maintainability. Choosing between object-oriented programming and procedural programming often depends on the project's requirements and the programmer's preferences. Procedural programming is ideal for straightforward tasks, while object-oriented programming excels in modeling complex systems and promoting code reuse. Great job! In next topic, we will explore the evolution of Python. Stay tuned.